Alright, we're out here for another ride. It's Sunday. We got the CR out, finally getting to enjoy this thing. Replaced the collar and the power valve linkage back here, but that still didn't fix the rattle. So we're going to replace the top end, just because it wouldn't hurt to do it. And then after that, if it's still got the rattle, I think it's either the clutch basket or something to do with the woodruff key. But it still runs great, so we'll ride it a few times and then probably over winter here replace it. But yeah, we got both the bikes out today. Nice little Sunday, feels good. It's like 60 something degrees still, so just gonna enjoy the day. Probably ride till about lunch or so.
Oh, goddamn! You right?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
What happened?
I walked into a tree.
Bad or what?
No.
Huh?
No.
Yeah, why didn't you say something, baby?
Huh?
Why didn't you say something?
I didn't notice it.
We still gotta get you new pegs.
Fucking deal with it.
Be catch mosquitoes and whatnot. Be letting them be. Alright, both bikes are at least decently clean. Forgot to get an outro out there, so we got a top end video on this coming soon, and then we're also gonna get a 7x14 enclosed trailer. We're gonna turn it into a camper toy hauler type deal. So if you want to see any of that, drop a subscribe, don't miss it. I appreciate you watching this far, and I'm sharing.